If Tinkercad is giving you errors, blank screens, loading loops, or unexpected crashes, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get Tinkercad working again as quickly as possible. These solutions are simple, safe, and work for most browser and simulation issues. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump in. The first fix is to enable hardware acceleration in your browser. Tinkercad uses 3D graphics and circuit simulation tools that rely heavily on your computer's graphics card. If hardware acceleration is turned off, the workspace may stay blank, freeze, or fail to load properly. To check this, open your browser settings and search for System. Look for the option that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available and make sure it is turned on. Once you enable it, completely close your browser and reopen it so the change can take effect. This simple step fixes a lot of Tinkercad display problems. If that did not solve it, the next thing to do is clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser can store corrupted files, outdated data, or broken login tokens that interfere with Tinkercad. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. On Mac, press Command, Shift, and Delete. Choose a time range like last 24 hours or all time, then check cookies and other site data and cached images and files. Click Clear Data, then refresh Tinkercad and try again. This often fixes access denied errors, login loops, and pages that refuse to load correctly. Another great test is to open Tinkercad in Incognito mode or a private window. This helps you figure out whether the issue is being caused by an extension, plugin, or browser setting. In Chrome or Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and N. In Firefox, press Ctrl, Shift, and P. Then sign in and load Tinkercad again. If it works in private mode, then the problem is very likely one of your extensions. Go to your extension manager and disable tools like ad blockers, VPN extensions, privacy filters, or dark mode add-ons one by one until you find the one causing the conflict. Now let's check WebGL support. Tinkercad needs WebGL to render its 3D workspace properly. To test this, go to get.webgl.org. If you see a spinning cube, your browser supports WebGL. If you do not, then your browser or graphics driver may be the issue. Make sure your browser is fully updated by opening the Help menu and checking the About page. Also, update your GPU drivers through your computer's device manager or your graphics card software. Outdated drivers can cause Tinkercad to freeze, glitch, or fail to open entirely. If your problem is happening in circuits or code, there may be a logic issue inside your project. For circuit builds, make sure you do not have a direct short between 5V and GND because that can cause the simulation engine to crash. If you are using code, check every loop and make sure it has a delay if needed. A loop without a delay can lock up the browser tab and trigger an unexpected error. Also double-check that your pin numbers in the code match the real wiring on the Arduino board. Even one mismatched pin can make the whole simulation behave incorrectly. The last thing to check is your network and server status. Sometimes Tinkercad errors are not caused by your browser at all. Visit health.autodesk.com to see whether there is a temporary outage or maintenance issue. If you are using a VPN or proxy, turn it off because Tinkercad may block unusual network traffic or flag an IP mismatch. You can also flush your DNS on Windows by opening Command Prompt and typing ipconfig/flush DNS. This can help reset your connection path and clear strange network issues. So, to recap, the main fixes are turn on hardware acceleration, clear cache and cookies, test in Incognito mode, verify WebGL support, check your circuit or code logic, and confirm that Tinkercad servers and your network are working properly. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the issue and get you back into your project. If this video helped you fix your Tinkercad error, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.